Emma, what are you doing?
I am just getting ready.
Ready? But why?
You promised me lunch in a restaurant.
Today is a special day?
No, but a promise is special.
Oh, I think I forgot.
It is easy for you to say that.
Is it really important?
I feel you do not want to take me.
You did not cook at home today.
Yes, and I will not cook today.
So you are serious.
Of course, I'm ready to go.
Are you forcing me?
Maybe a little.
Fine, let us go together.
Great, I'm coming fast.
Emma, have you been to a restaurant before?
Not really, I feel nervous.
Don't worry, I will guide you.
Thank you, that helps me.
Just follow simple manners.
What kind of manners?
First, we ask for a table politely.
Like, excuse me, we need a table for two?
Yes, that sounds good.
Okay, I will try.
The waiter's coming.
Should I speak?
Yes, go ahead.
Excuse me, we need a table for two.
That was perfect.
Really, I feel better now.
Sit straight, do not lean on the table.
Like this, is it correct?
Yes, that looks good.
It feels a little strange.
It's about good posture.
I understand now.
Wait for the menu quietly.
Everyone looks so calm here. I,
Yes, we should not rush.
I will stay relaxed.
Speak politely when ordering.
I would like to order something.
Good, very polite.
I'm learning fast.
Do not talk loudly.
Okay, I will speak softly.
Also, do not play with food.
I will behave properly.
Use the napkin carefully.
On my lap, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Confident. I feel more comfortable now.
You did very well today.
Thanks for teaching me.
We can come again next time.
Yes, next time I will be perfect.
The food is coming now.
I feel so hungry.
Wait until everything is served.
Okay, I will not start early.
That shows good manners.
I want to learn everything.
Take small bites while eating.
I will eat slowly.
Do not talk with food in your mouth.
I understand. That looks bad.
How is the taste?
It is really delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for bringing me here.
So, was it worth coming?
Yes, but you almost forgot.
I won't forget next time.
I will remind you again.
Do not rush after finishing.
I will sit calmly.
Place the spoon and fork properly.
Like this, side by side?
Yes, that shows you are done.
That is a nice signal.
Do not shout for the waiter.
Careful. Then how do we call him?
Just raise your hand politely.
Like this, gently?
Yes, that is perfect.
Confident. I feel confident now.
I will pay the bill today.
Oh, thank you.
Next time, it's your turn.
Then I'll choose the place.
That sounds fair.
I'm excited already.
Stand up slowly and push the chair back.
I will do it quietly.
You learned very fast today.
I feel proud of myself.
Good manners make a good impression.
Yes, people notice everything.
How do you feel now?
I feel confident and happy.
Will you cook at home now?
Not today. I'm still full.
That is a smart answer.
You created this situation.
Today was a nice day.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you for teaching me.
We will make more memories.
Yes, many more.
Let's go home now.
Okay, let us go together.
Next time, no forgetting.
I will remind you again.
That's your job now.
And you must listen.
What are you doing now?
I am choosing my clothes.
Choosing clothes? For what?
We are going out this evening.
Going out? Where are we going?
You said you will have dinner outside.
Did I really say that?
Yes, you promised yesterday.
Oh, I remember now.
Good. I was waiting for this.
Is it so important?
Yes, I feel happy when we go out.
You look excited.
Of course. I like new places.
All right, I will get ready.
Please do not take too long.
I will be quick.
I am almost ready.
Shall we leave now?
Yes, let us go.
Have you visited this place before?
No, this is my first time.
Do not worry, it is a nice place.
That makes me feel better.
We need to find a seat first.
Should I ask someone?
Yes, ask politely.
Excuse me, is there a table for two?
Well done, that was nice.
Thank you. I feel confident now.
Sit comfortably and relax.
Okay, I will sit properly.
Do not lean too much.
All right, I will sit straight.
Look around, it is peaceful here.
Yes, I like the atmosphere.
Wait for the menu.
I will wait quietly.
Now we can order food.
I'm not sure what to say.
Just speak clearly and politely.
I would like to order dinner.
That sounds perfect.
I'm learning step by step.
Keep your voice low.
Yes, I will speak softly.
Do not rush while eating.
I will take my time.
Use your napkin carefully.
I will place it on my lap.
Good, that is correct.
I feel more relaxed now.
The food smells nice.
Yes, it looks delicious too.
Wait before you start.
Okay, I will wait.
Now you can begin.
I will eat slowly.
Take small bites.
Yes, that feels better.
How is the food?
It tastes amazing.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Do not hurry after finishing.
I will sit calmly.
Place your spoon properly.
Like this, next to the plate?
Yes, that shows you are done.
That is easy to remember.
If you need help, call the waiter.
How should I call him?
Just raise your hand gently.
Okay, like this?
Yes, very polite.
I feel confident now.
I will pay the bill today.
That is kind of you.
Next time, it's my turn.
I will choose a good place.
That sounds exciting.
I'm already thinking about it.
Stand up slowly now.
I will move the chair quietly.
You did very well today.
I feel proud and happy.
Good manners are important.
Yes, people notice them.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, it was a great evening.
Shall we go home now?
Yes, let us go together.
Don't forget next time.
I will remember this time.
I will remind you anyway.
That is helpful for me.
Today was really special.
Yes, I will always remember it.
The night air feels nice.
Yes, it is calm and cool.
I enjoyed walking with you.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
Do you often go out like this?
Not really. This feels special.
We should do this more often.
I agree. It makes me happy.
Look at the lights around.
They look beautiful.
The street is not too crowded.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
Are you tired now?
No, I still feel energetic.
That's good to hear.
The evening gave me energy.
Do you want to sit for a while?
Yes, let us sit there.
This place is quiet.
Perfect for a short rest.
I learned many things today.
You did very well.
At first, I was nervous.
But now you look confident.
Yes, I feel more comfortable.
That is a big improvement.
Next time, I will speak more.
I will let you lead.
That will help me learn faster.
You are already doing great.
Thank you for your support.
You are always welcome.
I like learning new things.
That is a good habit.
Do you feel full now?
Yes, I cannot eat anything more.
Same here. The food was enough.
And it was very tasty.
We made a good choice today.
Yes, the place was perfect.
Shall we walk a little more?
Yes, a short walk is fine.
The road looks safe.
Yes, we can walk slowly.
I like this calm feeling.
It makes the day complete.
Today was different from usual.
Yes, it was special for me.
I'm glad we came out.
Me too. It was worth it.
Now I feel sleepy.
Same here. I need rest.
Let us go home now.
Yes, it's getting late.
We will reach soon.
That is good.
Don't forget today's lessons.
I will remember everything.
Next time, I will do even better.
I'm sure you will.